Hey friends, welcome back to Wheel Wonderland. Before we jump in, hit that like button. Leave a comment below telling us how you feel about this legend. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome Hot Wheels content. Today we're unboxing something really special, the BMW 2002. This iconic little coupe is part of the 70s versus 90s series, and it's one of the most beloved models in BMW's history. Born in the late 60s and a symbol of driving fun in the 70s, the BMW 2002 became a huge success, not just on the road, but on the track too. It played a major role in establishing BMW as a sporty brand, and its turbocharged version made history as one of the first turbo production cars in Europe. Racing? Oh yes, this car was a beast in the European Touring Car Championship, even winning its class at the Nürburgring in 1973. Small body, lightweight, rear-wheel drive, a true recipe for fun. And just look at the livery. Classic yellow with the M-style stripes. Pure retro fire. Now let's get it out of the packaging. And as always, when we love a car this much, we take it one step further. Yep, wind tunnel time. Watch those lines. See how the smoke glides over this tiny performance king. Thanks for watching, and if you liked what you saw, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more wheels, more wind, and more wow. See you next time at Wheel Wonderland.